Hello team and family. This is Multiplying Dividing Integer Word Problems, video number 2. A submarine cruised below the surface of the water. During the training exercise, it made 4 dives, each time descending 45 feet more. Then it rose 112 feet. What is the change in the submarine's position? So I'm going to use the problem-solving process for this. I'm going to start by drawing a picture. So I've got a submarine, and it makes 4 dives. Each one is 45 feet. I'm going to put a negative 45 because when you descend you go down. Negative 45. And then it rose 112 feet. So I'm going to put positive 112 because it rises that amount. What is the change in the submarine's position? So I want to organize this data. So I'm going to put in a table. It made 4 dives. So I'm going to put moves and then change. So moves and change. For move 1, it went down negative 45 degrees. For move 2, it went down another negative 45 degrees. For move 3, it went down another negative 45 degrees. Move 4, it went another negative 45. And then its last move, move 5, it went up positive 112. So let me underline the question to make sure I'm answering the question. A submarine cruised below the surface of the water. During a training exercise, it made 4 dives, each time descending 45 feet more. Then it rose 112 feet. What is the change in the submarine's position? So I want to know the change. Basically, where is it at? Is it in a positive area, negative area? How much has it changed? So I'm going to do negative 45, and I could add negative 45 4 times, or I can do negative 45 times 4, and then plus 112. Whenever you're solving expressions, you have to multiply before you add. So I'm going to do negative 45 times 4. 45 times 4 gets me, 4 times 5 is 20, 4 times 4 is 16, plus 2 is 18, gets me negative 180. So I have negative 180 plus 112. I'm adding a positive and a negative so they cancel each other out. 180 minus 112, 2 can't take away from 0, borrow from the 8, make it a 7, make the 0 a 10. 10 minus 2 is 8, 7 minus 1 is 6, 1 minus 1 is 0. So, my answer is 68, but I need to make sure that when I put 68, I know that there's more negatives than positives, so my answer is negative 68, and that's how much it's changed. Now, if I look back at the table, I should know that as I'm diving down, I'm getting further negative, and then when I go up 112, I'm not going to go into the positives, so my change should be negative. Whoop.